Okay, so this is the Nasan screen separator. It's a machine to separate the glass from the case. So we want to try it and see how it works. The power button comes here in back, so we just power that one on, and then we wait. It's gonna wait. The controls are here in the front. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if that helps a little right here. So it's gonna be right here. This is the button right there. So to this one, to activate the lock, so I'm just gonna go tight, and it secures the phone right there. All right, it looks like you can see better right there. So now the screen is heating. It's a nice device because it'll tell you the temperature right there, and then this is the tight or loose to secure the phone right here on top. So I'm gonna loose. I goes back. I'm gonna go forward, and it'll move it. So right here, I guess the suction cup is to activate the cup right here. So the way it works, we just do this right here until it gets flat. Okay, there we go. It looks like it's flat, and then we activate the suction cup. So right now the phone comes with it. Okay, we tied it. There we go. I already removed the screws from the back of the phone. So right now it's working, it's warming up, it's heating up a little bit. We let it run for a little bit, and then we're gonna twist this, and we can see that the screen is gonna separate from here, and then we can start working with a little plastic or like the Oka plastic to cut it around it. This is an LCD screen, therefore the rule is not to use alcohol. You can use a little bit, very little bit, but not a lot. So see, this is a Nasan NA-FR02. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can buy it, and if you buy it by clicking on it, we'll be getting a little bit of money, so some kind of commission, not a lot I don't think, but at least a little bit, so we can keep with these videos. We also have other equipment that we're gonna make videos on. So all right, right now it seems like it's warm. It's at 72 degrees right now, so we're gonna try. Hopefully we can tell from the screen. So we twist it a little bit. Just a little bit at the time. Okay, once the phone is warm enough, the screen will split basically. So this is the first screen I'm gonna take off or remove with this type of machine. Let's see how it works. So remember, just one twist at a time. Right now the Oka plastic it's not going in yet. Not yet. It's trying to get in there. So the thing is like still a little warm. It has to be like around 75, 85 degrees. I mean 85 degrees. It's getting there. Right now it's up to 77. We were supposed to, or I was supposed to let this one warm up, but I started the video earlier. So anyway, we are learning, right? So just make sure you preheat this one. And then we are going to try just a very little alcohol. Just very little. It's like very tiny drop, just to help dissolve the. There we go. Just a little bit, very little. Don't squeeze. Just let it come out by itself. There we go. Just give it another twist. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna try with a getting in there. It's going little by little. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna untwist, stop the suction. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Stop the suction there. See, when you lift this one right here, it should be good. Just want this to make sure it's well centered. So we tight it, make sure it's tight. Careful, this part right here gets hot too. So alright, we activate the suction cup. Alright, right there is activated. And then we twist a little bit. I think this plate should have a little rubber or some kind of protection for the device, because it lifts a little bit right here and it's going to scratch it. Hopefully not, but it looks like it will. So we test it right now. The little pop is coming up. You see now there's a little gap right there, and then once this is going, it's gonna be easy. You can try a little bit. Now we can do a little more and just wait. And remember, there is some brackets holding the screen, so it'll take a little time. There we go. Just keep screwing right there. Right now it's working. Always checking what screen comes out. I believe the connectors are gonna be on one of these sides, so just make sure not to break anything. And then cut the glue with the Oka plastic right here. Just give it a little help. See, now the gap is a little more right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Just a little help. There is a clip right here, so alright, I want to check for the connectors, see if we are not pulling any. Not yet. So here's good space so far. Alright, we'll try this one instead to give it a little help. There. Sorry about the light. Alright, so it seems like it's going. There we go. A little pop. You can see the connector here, so it should be good. Same, we cut that glue. This is the first time I'm doing this, so hopefully I think it's gonna go faster once we get more practice. But in the meantime, we are learning. Alright, I'm gonna keep it. See, the screen is almost out. Now the gap is way bigger. It's just the clips that we have over here and more glue. Alright. I can see the connectors. Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell the the glue is right here. It's right in here. Yeah, caught it. And the screen is about to come out. So it seems like it's working. It's a little handy for when we are learning to remove screens. It's coming out. See if there is any connectors on there. Oh, the other side. Nope. And there's good space between the connectors. So alright, I see the connectors over here on this corner, so it's gonna be not bad. Alright, let's see if it's coming out. Alright, this looks like it should be it. Alright, see, screen fell off, lift it, and then we release it. Check it out. This is the last part that was missing. Even the screen was cracked. Okay, and then we do here. So that's how it came out. Let's keep Alright guys, so if you like the video, please subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more videos on these tools. If you want to get into the cell phone refurbishing or clean replace, this one is going to be a good one. So, all right, thank you. I'll put more stuff on.